In this video, we're going to show how to add a Knowio BLE gateway to the system. Before I commence, a quick overview of the product. It is a battery operated product with a USB-C connector in it for powering. The battery is a 5,200 mega ohms battery, which under normal circumstances would last for 3 months, but generally it is powered via a solar panel, which we can provide as well. And we also have got a magnetic clip for it. So for easy deployment, these are magnets on the back of it. So what I can do here is stick this onto a container the likes, and then this clips into place, and that's there. The gateway comes with its own embedded SIM card, which is a roaming data SIM card, NB-IoT, LTE Cat-M, and GPRS failover. So when you buy one of these off, any of it is ready to go. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to add the gateway into our system. So this is the site that I'm going to add the gateway to. So what I do is I go to devices in the bottom right hand corner, and I then go to add in the top right corner, BLE gateway. I can choose to either type in the IMEI number or scan it using my phone. There we are. I will bring that in. So that has now been added. So what it's asking me to do next is to power on the gateway. To power on the gateway, it's as simple as holding the button down on the back of the gateway until the light comes on. The light comes on like that, green light briefly. Then what you see now is the green and blue light come on together. And that is the gateway booting up, which will take about 60 seconds for it to switch on, connect to the network, and send a signal in to the app saying that it is functioning properly. That signal will be received in the form of a notification. So I've just got the notification through in the phone saying that the gateway has successfully been powered on. The battery is 49% and the signal is 84%. I can then open up and go in to look at that. And I can see that the gateway has now been added. It has updated the battery level and updated the signal, which was strong. If I go to devices, you can see now that the gateway is there with the 49%, and that has been added as of today. If I go to events, I can see that the gateway was recently added and that it was then switched on. My next step to do in this case is to test an actual padlock. So to make sure it's working well, what I do is I open the padlock with a passcode, not with the app. The reason why we want to do it with the passcode and not with the app is that if you open a padlock via the app itself, your phone acts as a bridge, and we want the gateway to act as a bridge. I want to specifically test the gateway functionality. And if you open it with your passcode, you will get that. If you open with the app, you won't. So here's the padlock being opened with my own personalized code. Open that there, and I'll do that. I just put this in the background for a second. There's the notification already. So that showed me two things. Firstly, that the padlock was opened by the passcode, and also I've got a rule in place that disarms the CCTV as well. What I will also do here is if I now close the padlock, and there's the padlock locked. Notification. So that's all working fine. So that's the demonstration of how the gateway can be added, the padlock can be tested. The one quick thing to remember is that we have to ensure that these are within 12 meters line of sight of each other. If you've got a gate or if you've got a wall, depending on what that gate or wall is made of, that will shorten that distance. It's super important before you leave site, make sure you check the deployment works with the gateway, exactly where it's going to be located, and the padlock where it's going to be located, to ensure that they're both within range and the system works as expected.